This slide is from lecture 4.0 to P block elements. Slide number 48, stage 2. Elements of group 15 form compounds in the +1 oxidation state. However, bismuth forms only one characterized compound with a +5 oxidation state. The compound can be option A Bi2O5 bismuth pentoxide, option B bismuth pentafluoride, option C bismuth pentachloride, and bismuth sulfide. Now here clearly we know one important concept in inorganic chemistry. When we move across the group, down the group from top to bottom, the most important thing is with respect to group 15, the stability of +3 oxidation state, increases down the group. This is due to inert pair effect. Which means this inert pair effect is a characteristic property of the element in the bottom of the group where ns2 electrons cannot participate in chemical bonding. Therefore, only the np3 electrons participate in chemical bonding. So this will be the stable oxidation state of the bottommost element. In group 15, bismuth can form highly stable oxidation state bismuth 3+. But exceptionally, due to the high electronegativity of fluorine, and small size of fluorine, bismuth can form BiF5, bismuth pentafluoride, which is exceptionally stable. Therefore, the most stable oxidation state of the bismuth in the +5 oxidation state, only bismuth fluoride pentafluoride can exist. Therefore, option A is correct.